Hello students. So we are going to do our next topic, corrosion. What is corrosion? The process in which the atmospheric gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, water slowly eats away the surface of metal is known as corrosion. Once again, I'll repeat the definition. The process in which the atmospheric gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, water in the form of water vapor eats the surface of the metal is called corrosion. Rusting of iron. Iron reacts with the oxygen in the presence of water vapor which is present in the form of moisture. Okay, which is present in the form of moisture to form rust. Okay, the formula of rust is Fe2O3. This is a brown colored substance. This rusting, what it does, it weaks the iron metal. It eats the iron metal and makes the iron metal weak. Next, corrosion of copper. Copper reacts with the carbon dioxide, oxygen and water, which is present in the moisture in the form of moisture to form a green color substance, that is copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Next, corrosion of silver. You have seen the silver articles getting black. So when these silver articles are exposed to air, from the air it reacts with a gas called as hydrogen sulfide and form silver sulfide, which is black in color. So this is called corrosion of silver, that is silver sulfide. How to prevent the corrosion? How to prevent the rusting? We can prevent the rusting by oiling, by painting, by greasing, or by covering the iron objects with the metal zinc, and this process is called as galvanization. The process of coating of iron object with the zinc is called as galvanization. Next, reaction of acids. When metals reacts with the acids, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. When metals reacts with acids, it forms salt plus hydrogen gas. When sodium is made to react with HCl, it forms sodium chloride and hydrogen gas. Similarly, when magnesium reacts with the HCl, it forms magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. HCl is hydrochloric acid. So this is a displacement reaction. One metal displaces the other metal. Similarly, zinc plus sulfuric acid gives rise to zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Aluminium plus hydrochloric acid gives rise to aluminium chloride plus hydrogen. Copper plus sulfuric acid gives rise to copper sulfate, sulfur dioxide and water. They do not react with the dilute acids, they react with the concentrated acids. Okay, so we use copper with the concentrated sulfuric acid, silver with the concentrated acid. They don't react with the dilute acid. They require the highly concentrated acids. And the gold is a noble metal which does not react neither with the concentrated acids nor with the dilute acids. Next, non-metal. Generally, non-metals do not react with the dilute acid, but some non-metals like carbon, sulfur and phosphorus, they react with the concentrated acid to form their oxides. Activity, reaction of metals with acids. This is a displacement reaction. We can do this activity in the lab. Next, reaction with the base. Metals reacts with the base like sodium hydroxide to produce hydrogen gas. When metals reacts with the base, it forms sodium hydroxide like sodium hydroxide, it forms and reacts with the base like sodium hydroxide, it produces hydrogen gas. Similarly, reaction of non-metals with the base is a complex, but it will be done in the higher classes. See, this reaction with the base we will be doing in the grade 10th. So no need of the reaction, just go with these lines. Next, displacement reaction. Definition: the reaction in which the metals reacts with the salt solution and displaces or replaces the metal present in the salt. In the previous page we have done reaction of acids with the metals, that is a displacement reaction. Okay, the reaction in which more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution is called as displacement reaction. In order to go the displacement reaction, you have to learn this activity series: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, platinum. This activity series has to be learned. The most reactive metal is sodium and the less reactive metal is platinum. If you learn this activity series, that is the arrangement of metal in the decreasing order of their activity, this is called as activity series, you can do the displacement reaction. Okay, now see the example: zinc plus copper sulfate. Zinc is a more reactive metal, copper sulfate. In copper sulfate, copper is a less reactive metal. The more reactive metal will displace the less reactive metal to form zinc sulfate and copper. If you take copper sulfate and zinc, copper is less reactive than zinc. See the reactivity series. Copper is coming below the zinc, so it is less reactive. It will not displace, so no reaction will occur. In order to do the displacement reaction, you have to learn this activity series completely. Then only you can do the displacement reaction. Next, displacement reaction, you can write the observation: copper sulfate plus zinc, you will get zinc sulfate plus copper. Silver nitrate plus copper, you will get copper nitrate plus silver. Iron sulfate plus copper, iron sulfate plus copper, no reaction because copper is least reactive than zinc. This reaction will not occur. You have to see more reactive metal will displace less reactive. In iron sulfate, iron is more reactive and copper is less reactive. It cannot displace, so no reaction. Next, uses of metals and non-metals. You have to learn the tables of this uses of metals and non-metals. Copper, it is used for the preparation of electrical appliances, wires, cables, boiler pipes, car radiators and utensils. Iron, it is used for the preparation of water pipe, railing, nuts, bolt, tools, warships, tanks, and also for preparing the ammonia gas. Aluminium, it is used to make high voltage electronic wires and utensils. Aluminium foil is used for packing of the food material and medicines. Gold and silver is used for making ornaments. They can be changed into any shape. Magnesium, it is a flammable metal. It is used in the fireworks, that is in the crackers. Zinc, it is used to make the galvanized iron pipes. It protects iron from corrosion. It is also used in the dry cell. Lead, it is highly malleable, flexible and non-reactive. Hence, it is used for making flexible water pipes, X-ray shields and storage battery. Okay, next, non-metals. Chlorine, it is used for the disinfectant to sterilize the water, means to kill the germs. Addition of chlorine tablets to water to kill the germs is called as chlorination. Iodine is used for preparation of the tincture iodine and iodized salt. You people eat iodized salt, so iodine is used for making that. Helium is used for filling of the balloons. Phosphorus, it is used for making the matchsticks. It is also used for making fertilizers, fireworks, okay, and some phosphoric acid and superphosphate compounds. Graphite, it is used for making the pencil lids. It is cheap, making the electrodes of the cell. Next, sulfur, it is used in the agriculture as insecticides, fungicides, and it is used for preparation of gunpowder, plastic, detergents, synthetic fiber and explosive. Nitrogen, for nitrogen gas is used for packing of the food. Like when you open the chips packet, you will be getting the nitrogen gas, the gas which is present in the chips or any packets, eatable food items, so that the food can be prevented from oxidations without spoiling. And it can be used for preparation of fertilizers, okay, like ammonia, nitrogen fertilizers. Silicon, it is used for making the microchips of computer device. It is also used as an insulating material in the electrical appliances. Neon, it is used as the fluorescent bulb which can be used for advertising the displays. Oxygen, it is used in welding in combination with other gases, and it is essential for our respiration. Okay, now what is an alloy? When you mix two metals or a metal and a non-metal, you get a new substance which is called as alloy. Like stainless steel, the tiffin boxes, the utensils which you use, they are made up of stainless steel. That is an alloy of iron. Bronze, brass, they are the alloys of iron. Okay, bronze, mixture of tin and iron, that is called as an iron. So we have completed our chapter till here. In the next session we will be doing the in text and back exercise question. Thank you.